Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 42. The table below shows the cost of purchasing a standard stapler at 5 office supply stores, A through E. If the median cost of purchasing a standard stapler for these stores was $17.99, which of the following could not have been the cost of the stapler for store A? To start, we will review on the mean. What is the mean? We have kind of like the definitions and the vocabulary right there. So mean is the average. Median is the value at the middle point of the range. So the black line will represent for the range. We have the minimum, so we call it like the min, or the maximum point is like the highest point. Okay, so in the between is the median. And mode is one value will be repeat several times. Okay, so let's working on this one. We have the median is 17.99, and this one is E value. Okay, then we have 15.66. Remember, on the left side we always represent the smaller number, and on the right side we always represent the bigger number. Okay, so we have 15.66. We don't know if that is a mean, but we put somewhere right here 15.66. Then we have another one is, this is D. We have another one is B, is 17.49, which is less than 17.49. Okay, so let's just write out the value. Okay, we know this is the unit is dollar. Okay, so we have C is $19, and we know this is the median. Okay, we have some $19 here. Okay, so the question asking which of the following is not, okay, could not have been the cost of the staplers for store A. Okay, let's check, because the median is the middle numbers, right? So on both sides have the same numbers of store. Okay, so on this side we have 2 store right here. All right, on this side we only have 1. Of course, the value will be in between the 17.99 toward the mass, bigger numbers. So anything less than 17.99 we cross out. So C is cross. Okay, it's not, because it's less than. Let's see, this one is bigger, so we can leave A right here. Yes, it's good. We can leave B, it's bigger, 18 something. It B right here, good. We can choose D, is 25, so right here is D, is good. The only thing is C is 16. Okay, C right here, it make it 3 store on this side, so C is the one is could not have been the cost of the stapler for store A. So C is the one we choose, because it's not. So right here we have 5 store, so it's somehow we need the median store is right here. So because it's the number in between, right, in the middle, at the middle, so we have 2 store less than it, and we have 2 store bigger than it. Okay, so we have 1799, which is E. Store E is right here. Okay, so we have 15.66 is store D, and we have 17.49, that is B right here. Okay, so the leftovers place is 19, either this or this. Okay, it can be switched. A can be here and C can be here, 19, right? Or we can have C right here and A right here. But we know that C and A is always bigger than 1799. Store numbers C and A have the value bigger than 1799 because the less than place are already filled. We only need to fill the bigger place. And like I said, 1995 is bigger than 1799. This one bigger than 1799. The only is less than 1799 is the one we not choose, right? But in this case, they're asking for which one is not having the cost. So the one is do the opposite, right? Okay, so this is the only one. It's different from the rest. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.